and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazingly great. So I created this look for you today using most of the drugstore products that I have at home. I'll be sharing all the details in the description box below, so please go ahead and see the description box for the product details. And before we move on to this video, if you're a first timer on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the button below and also press the bell icon to get the notifications. Or before starting with the video, I'd like to tell you that most of the products that I have used are ranged between 500 to 1500 bucks, which is not very expensive and not very pricey, but is available in websites like Nykaa, Amazon, and even retail stores, so it's easily accessible. So let's move on with the video. Let's not waste much time and show you how I created this look for you. So I've already cleansed my face and I'm going to start by using a sunscreen, which is the one that I'm using by VLCC, and it is the SPF 50. So I'm just going to take I'm using the same beauty blender to blend it again. Next, I'm going to be applying the foundation, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I wanted a matte look, so I'm using this in the shade Golden Beige 104, which is right here. So I'm going to be just using very little amount of that because I have already concealed my face and I do not need much of the foundation. So I'm just going to be using a little bit of that, and I'm just going to be tapping on the areas that I want the foundation to be applied. Not apply much product when it comes to foundation because I wanted a very natural finish, so I'm using very little amount of foundation because I do not want it to get cakey and make it look very artificial or very different from the natural skin tone. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25 medium. This is a finishing powder and I love this because it gives a really nice finish. So under the eye area, I'm going to use the Beauty Blender and I'm just going to dab the product over there and allow it to bake for some time. And with the powder brush, I'm just going to be applying it on the rest of the areas of my face. So I'm using the one by PAC. The number is not here, but it is the biggest fluffy blush that you've got. So I'm just going to be a little bit amount of that on the neck also. A little bit of that on my ears. So I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette that I bought from the Beauty Bar Lounge. I'll be linking the website on the description box, so you can go and check the website from there. So I'll be using this palette today, and I'm probably trying to do more of I don't know, maybe a light neutral but reddish kind of a tone. So I'm going to be using this shade as my transition shade first. Start from the outer V and then move towards the inner V. Darker red shade for the first layer of eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying. I'm going to be using very little of that because I don't want it to look very vibrant. I want it to look wearable and natural at the same time. Just go halfway because I'm going to use a different shade in the inside, and I'm not using a concealer to, you know, cut the crease or something like that. I want it to be very normal, very natural. So I'm going to be using halfway, and then I'll be using a brighter shade which is more of a glittery shade towards the inside. So I'll just go halfway with it. Shade which is this one, and this is a slightly glittery reddish shade. So this shade for the outer corner of my eyes, and this is a darker shade because I'm using give it more definition. So I'm going to be using this brush by PAC again, and just a little bit of that is going to be making an outer V. This shade, and I'm going to do the inner corner of my eyes. So I'll be using a very little amount of that, and just now using a flat brush, I'm going to be applying the red that I applied first under the eye. And I'm not going to be applying much of that because it will look like a bloodshot eye. So I'm keeping it very minimal. I'm going to go quickly do my eyebrows. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Kit, and I've been using this for ages now. It seems like it never finishes. It's so amazing. So I'm just going to be flicking the hair right up first. Next, I'm going to be using a highlighter which is by Maybelline Master Chrome, and I'm going to be using this at the brow bones and also to highlight the cheekbones as well. be contouring my face, and I'm not using a bronzer as well, but I'm using a blush and I'm using a highlighter for today. I'm using this shade by Colorbar, which is Coral Craving. It's 009 and this is the shade. It's a peach shade, so I'll be using that on my cheek first for the blush. Using a kajal, I'm going to complete the eye look first and then move on with the highlighter at the end. So I am using this pencil kajal by Lakme, which is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. It is a roll-on kajal, which you all know it's very common. For the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pot eyeliner kajal. I'm not going to be doing a winged eyeliner. I'm just going to keep it till the end, and that's it. Next, I'm using the mascara, which is also by Maybelline. It's the Falsies, and this is the only mascara that I've been using for a long time now. And this is my all-time favorite mascara, so I'll show you how it looks. Next, I'm quickly going to be applying my lashes, which are drugstore lashes. So I'm done with my eye look, and I'm going to quickly go and highlight the areas of my face that I want to pop out. I'm using a fan brush for this, and I'm going to highlight this region of my cheekbone first. So I'll slightly contour the edges of my nose with very less to give it a little bit of definition. And for that, I'm using the Colorbar Dual Palette. This is the contour plus highlight palette. It's almost over for me now, but I'll be using the contour, just a little bit of that. And using the contour brush, I'm going to smudge it out. So I'm going to be using a dual shade in lipstick, so I'll keep it nude, but I'll use a little bit of gloss in the middle to give it a nice glossy effect at the same time. So I'm using this shade by Colorbar, which is a nude shade, and the shade is Striped 003. So this is the shade that you can see here. My all-time favorite lipstick by MAC, which is the Ruby Woo, and very slightly I'm going to be using it in the middle of the lips. You can leave it like this, but I wanted it to have a little bit of a gloss, so I'll be using the gloss, and this is by Miss Claire in the shade 118. So that's the look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please press the thumbs up if you really liked the video, and go share it with your family, friends. Please leave me comments if you want to ask me anything with regards to beauty related or makeup related stuff in the comment section below. And see you in my next video. Take care till then. Bye bye.